Hello, my dear friends. This is Dr. Panneer Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. Today, I am going to show some of the career opportunities with State Bank of India for the technocrat positions, like for engineering graduates, especially BE, BTech engineers. So the opportunity is really bright. You'll have a very decent salary, very good recognized post. That entry itself as an official post, officer post. They are going to recruit technical or non-technical. It's about 489 vacancies in State Bank of India. So before we go into detail, I invite you to subscribe my channel Groby Consultancy so that you will get more and more videos of this type as well as the job opportunities for engineering graduates. After the total vacancies, 352 has been allotted only for technocrats like BE, BTech in State Bank of India. See, the position is a specialist cadre officers. So don't forget, the post says that it is a specialized cadre officers. So you can apply by online. I think that sbi.co.in/careers. The last date for sending your application is on up to till January 11th of 2021. The examination is likely to be conducted by 7th of February 2021. So as far as a technocrat, there are 16 vacancies for fire engineers. The qualification could be engineering graduates in fire from NFSC, BTech Fire and Technology and Safety Engineering, BSc Fire Technology, or graduate from Institute of Fire Engineering, and divisional officers course completed in NFSC. See, these are the people who are qualified to apply for 16 positions for the position of fire engineers. And they are also recruiting assistant manager, deputy manager, and engineers and IT system engineers. So, of which there are 100 engineers as well as IT people, 40 assistant managers, and 60 deputy managers. So, the total of 100 will be distributed into two, that is 40 plus 60. So, the qualification is BE BTech in computer science and engineering, IT, and electronic communications. And MCA is also eligible, MSc is also available, those who have finished their computer science. MSc IT is also eligible. And MTech Cyber Science and Cyber Forensics and MTech IT is also eligible to apply for 100 positions as engineers and IT. So the position will be distributed for assistant manager and deputy managers. So they are also recruiting system and its security experts. It's about 230 vacancies. So very good vacancies, don't leave it out. Because instead of trying for a private sector and maybe like a small companies, they don't pay you so much, you don't get so much of reward from them. So try to get yourself applied and again prepare for the exam very well. I think it's all online examinations. So qualification for the system and IT security experts, engineering and graduates, IT, electronic and communications, MCA and MSc in computer science. These people are eligible to apply for system and security experts. So the vacancies are larger in number. What is almost all the examinations is online. It is going to be only objective test. So in the objective test, there is a paper on banking knowledge, data interpretation and analysis, reasoning, and general awareness and marketing skills. So each paper, I think each objective type will carry about 50 marks. So now I think there are 4 sections, so you will have 200 marks. And there is a descriptive paper which talks about English knowledge, maybe letter writing and then essay writing. That will also carry 50 marks. So altogether, you are writing examination for 250 marks, objective as well as descriptive, all are online written examination. So after the result is announced, the weightage pattern will be divided into 2. So they give a weightage for your written test, say about 75%, and the performance shown in the interview is about 25%. So based on this weightage, you will be selected for those positions. So best of luck to almost all engineering graduates. It's a really good opportunity in the bank because State Bank of India is a promising bank. They give you various technocrat opportunities. So engineers who don't find better jobs and engineers who don't fit into several non-professional jobs can try for this opportunity. And hit it with the proper preparations. You can have different books available in the market. You can go through the books and try yourself, test yourself again and again, and prepare well and get the position and shine on your career. So again, I wish you all the best from Groby Consultancy. Thank you very much.